Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that bell icon and subscribe. Today, we're gonna talk about how to cover blemishes. Kaya yung mga teenager dyan, like my daughter, nag-ask sa akin kung paano i-cover ang kanyang blemishes. So, let's get started! Gagamit tayo ng corrector. Kailangan na kailangan natin to. Kaya bumili na kayo mga dalaging din. Nabili ko to sa OBS at maganda rin ang brand ng Catrice. I use MAC 219 pencil brush. Prefer kong gamitin to dahil konting product lang ang i-apply natin. My makeup techniques, i-apply ko muna yung corrector before the foundation. And do it little by little. Ang color correcting is a concealer techniques ng mga professional makeup artist. May mga iba't ibang color ang corrector. May orange, may green, may peach, may yellow. Yung green corrector, it's a perfect hiding any redness like pimples, acne, and blemishes. At ang orange corrector, for people with darker skin tones who have dark circle under their eyes. At ginagamit ko rin to sa pagko-cover ng tattoo kapag minsan ang isang model may tattoo siya at kinakailangan i-cover during shooting. Peach corrector is the best for hiding dark eye circles on a lighter skin. And yellow corrector, it's also cover the redness on your face. At mag-a-apply na ako ng foundation. But guys, wait a few minutes for the formula set. Kapag blended natin kaagad, uulit tayo sa paglagay ng corrector at magpa-fade siya ng konti. And then light blend it out with your brush. At mag-a-apply na ako ng setting powder using my beauty blender to fix the products. So here, the final look. Don't forget to subscribe and leave down comment below. Thank you for watching.